Here's how to transfer T-Mobile physical SIM to eSIM in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to switch to eSIM on the same phone without needing a store visit. First, open the Settings app on your phone. You will see the main Android settings screen. Once you're inside, tap Connections or your device SIM settings because the exact menu can look slightly different on your phone. Open SIM Manager and you should see your active physical T-Mobile SIM listed on the screen. Next, tap your physical SIM to open its details. You should see available actions for that line. Then, look for the Convert to eSIM option and tap it. A conversion prompt will appear asking you to continue. After that, tap Convert eSIM to confirm your choice. Your phone will start downloading the eSIM profile and the progress bar or loading screen will appear. Now, wait for the download to finish. This can take up to 5 minutes, so keep your phone connected to Wi-Fi or the T-Mobile network. Once the process is complete, tap OK when the confirmation message appears. Then, check the top of your screen for T-Mobile signal bars to make sure your service is active. Once your signal returns, make a quick call, send a text, or open a website to confirm everything is working. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open your phone SIM or eSIM management settings and look for Add eSIM. Follow the prompts to download an eSIM profile. If that does not work, contact T-Mobile support to activate an eSIM for your device, restart your phone, and check that the service is active again. If the Convert to eSIM button is missing, your device or carrier software may not support direct conversion, so use the backup method instead. Once everything is set, the T-Mobile line will operate through your phone's eSIM and cellular service will stay active without a physical SIM card. Following these simple steps makes transferring a T-Mobile physical SIM to eSIM quick and easy.